Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be cooking chicken and gravy. But before we dive into today's recipe, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my recipes. And to all of my returning viewers, I want to thank everyone for my support. So let's grab our aprons and let's get started. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. For our chicken and gravy, we're going to need the following: boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, flour, butter, chicken broth, chicken bouillon cube, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, dried thyme, ground sage, and pepper. So now that we have our ingredients, let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to our chicken. And we're going to do this on both sides. And okay. Yeah. Oops, a bit too much on that one. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour on each side of the breasts. Flip them over, and we'll do the other side. A little bit more on this one. Alright, now we just need to get these seared up as we continue working on our chicken and gravy. So we've got our olive oil, which is heated up over a medium heat. And so now we are going to drop in our chicken breasts. And we are going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And once that's done and browned on all sides, we're going to move on to our gravy. Alright, so we've got our butter melted now that our chicken has finished cooking. So we're going to make a roux, and we're going to add in our flour to this. And we just want to make this a light golden brown or more of a blonde roux. So this is only going to take us a couple of minutes to get the color we want. And once that's done, we'll continue building on our gravy. Alright, so this has been going for a couple of minutes. We got a nice light brown color that we want. So to this, I am going to add my chicken broth. And that will also help pull up any of the good bits off of the bottom. We're going to give that a good stir. Now we're going to let this continue to cook, and then we'll be back once we get ready to start continuing to build on this gravy. Alright, so this is starting to come up to a boil. To this we're going to add in our seasoning, our onion powder, our garlic powder, mustard powder, thyme, sage, and black pepper, and our bouillon cube. And we're also going to add in our Worcestershire sauce. We'll give that a stir. Turn this down just a little bit, and we're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes before we add our chicken back. Alright, so this has been boiling for a good couple of minutes, so now we're going to add our chicken back into our gravy, and we are going to cover this and let this cook till the chicken is tender and shreddable. Okay, so this has been on a simmer for about 45 minutes, and we're going to check and see how our chicken is. Yeah, chicken's ready to come out. Alright, so I'm going to pull out the chicken, and we're going to get this shredded up, and we're going to add this back to the pot. Okay, we're back, and we have all our chicken shredded up. So we're going to add this back to our gravy. We're going to give this a quick stir. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover this and let this go for about 15 minutes. Okay, so everything's set up and ready. All right. Oh my God, this smells so good. Give this a good stir. Alright, so we're going to serve this up with a little bit of rice. We'll put our rice in our bowl. Get us a good heaping spoonful of this with this delicious gravy. And there we go. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. This is going to be a delicious lunch for me. So I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Also wanted to express my thanks to everyone of you who supported my channel from the beginning to now. And also remember, be nice and be kind. It could change somebody's day. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.